How to really glow up before summer. Hey there, welcome to my channel. Are you ready to slay this summer with a glowing transformation? Get ready to shimmer and shine with confidence as we dive into the ultimate guide on how to glow up before summer. From skincare routines to fitness tips, we've got you covered. Let's get started on this journey to a summer glow up like no other. Tip number 1. Grooming tips. Today, I am so excited to share with you all some essential grooming tips for the summer season. As the temperatures rise and the sun shines brighter, it's important to adjust our grooming routine to ensure we look and feel our best. Shower power. Let's talk about the power of a good shower routine. During the summer, it's crucial to cleanse your body thoroughly to remove sweat, dirt, and bacteria. Opt for a gentle, hydrating body wash to nourish your skin while getting rid of impurities. Don't forget to exfoliate a few times a week to slough off dead skin cells and reveal a radiant glow. And remember, always pat yourself dry with a clean towel to prevent any irritation. Skincare. Let's kick things off with skincare. The summer sun can be harsh on our skin, so it's crucial to protect and nourish it. Make sure to apply sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every single day, even on cloudy days. Not only will this protect your skin from harmful UV rays, but it will also prevent premature aging and sun damage. Don't forget to reapply sunscreen every 2 hours, especially if you're spending time outdoors. And if you are prone to breakouts, opt for a lightweight, oil-free sunscreen to avoid clogged pores. Hair care. Summer heat and humidity can wreak havoc on our hair, leading to dryness, frizz, and even breakage. To combat these issues, consider switching to a hydrating shampoo and conditioner to keep your locks moisturized. Invest in a leave-in conditioner or hair oil to nourish your hair and protect it from the sun's rays. And if you're hitting the pool or beach, be sure to rinse your hair with fresh water afterward to remove any chlorine or saltwater buildup. Skin. Now, on to grooming tips for the body. With the warmer weather, it's time to show some skin. To keep your skin smooth and glowing, exfoliate regularly to slough off dead skin cells and reveal fresh, radiant skin. You can use a physical scrub or a chemical exfoliant, depending on your skin type. After exfoliating, don't forget to moisturize to lock in hydration and keep your skin soft. Look for lightweight, non-greasy lotions or body oils to avoid feeling sticky in the summer heat. Hair removal. When it comes to hair removal, consider your options and choose what works best for you. Whether you prefer shaving, waxing, or using hair removal cream, make sure to do so safely and effectively. If you're shaving, always use a sharp razor and a moisturizing shaving cream to prevent irritation and ingrown hairs. If you're waxing, make sure your skin is clean and dry before applying the wax to ensure a smooth removal process. Nail care. Now, let's talk about nail care. Summer is the perfect time to show off your manicure and pedicure skills. Keep your nails clean and well groomed by regularly trimming and filing them. Consider treating yourself to a DIY manicure or pedicure at home or visit a professional nail salon for some pampering. Opt for bright, fun colors to embrace the summer vibes and don't forget to apply a top coat to extend the life of your manicure. Smelling good. Moving on to fragrance, it's important to choose a summer-appropriate scent that will keep you smelling fresh all day long. Look for light, citrusy fragrances or floral scents that are perfect for the warmer months. Consider switching to a body mist or a refreshing body spray for a lighter touch. Remember to apply your fragrance to pulse points such as wrists, neck, and behind the ears to make it last longer. Lastly, let's discuss overall grooming habits. Remember to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin and hair looking healthy and glowing. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables to nourish your body from the inside out. Get plenty of sleep to allow your body to rest and rejuvenate, which will show in your overall appearance. And don't forget to exercise regularly to keep your body and mind in top shape. Tip number 2. Fitness routines. Moving and grooving. Exercise is not only great for your physical health but also for your mental and emotional well-being. Incorporate a mix of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises into your routine to keep your body strong and toned. Try new workouts like yoga, pilates, or dance to switch things up and challenge your body in different ways. Set realistic fitness goals and track your progress to stay motivated and on track. Remember, consistency is key to seeing results, so stay dedicated and keep pushing yourself to reach new heights. And don't forget to fuel your body with nutritious foods to support your fitness goals. Load up on fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains to nourish your body from the inside out. Hydrate with plenty of water to keep your skin glowing and your energy levels high throughout your workouts. Tip number 3. Self-care. Let's talk about self-care. Taking care of yourself mentally and emotionally is just as important as taking care of your physical appearance. Make time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation, whether it's reading a book, taking a bubble bath, or meditating. Practice gratitude and positive affirmations to cultivate a positive mindset and boost your confidence. Surround yourself with positive people who uplift and support you on your glow-up journey. And most importantly, remember to be kind to yourself and treat yourself with love and respect. Tip number 4. Mindset Makeover. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about your mindset. A positive attitude and self-confidence are essential components of a successful glow-up. Practice daily affirmations to boost your self-esteem and remind yourself of your worth. Surround yourself with positive influences and supportive friends who uplift and inspire you. Set boundaries with negative energy and toxic relationships that drain your spirit and hinder your growth. Focus on self-care and prioritize your mental health by practicing mindfulness, meditation, or journaling. Embrace your uniqueness and celebrate your individuality. Your summer glow-up is not about conforming to society's standards but about embracing your true self and shining from within. So go ahead, show the world your radiant light and let your inner beauty sparkle. Remember, your journey to a summer glow-up is a personal one, so take it one step at a time and enjoy the process. Here's to a fabulous summer filled with self-love, joy, and endless possibilities. Shine bright like the diamond that you are, and let your inner beauty light up the world. Until next time, stay golden, my darlings.